Have you ever wondered how your computer knows what to do after you click run? I mean, you wrote your code in Java, C++, or Python. Your computer doesn't understand any of those languages. It only understands machine code. So what happens in between? Does your computer secretly learn Java in 2 seconds? Yeah, I wish, but the real hero is something called a compiler. What is a compiler? Think of it like Google Translate. You type a sentence in English, it instantly converts it into another language. A compiler does almost the same thing. It takes code you wrote and it translates it into machine code. So your computer can finally understand it. Without a compiler, your code is just a bunch of words and symbols. To your computer, it might as well say blah 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 do something. What happens when you click run? Let's say you write this Java code. The moment you click run, the compiler jumps into action. First, it checks your code for mistakes. If you forgot a semicolon, misspelled something, it stops right there and throws an error. It basically saying, I'm not translating your broken code. If everything is correct, it converts your entire program into machine code. And that's what your computer actually runs. That's also why compiled programs are usually fast, because the translation is already finished before the program starts. So if someone asks, what is a compiler? Here is your one-line answer. A compiler is a program that translates human readable code into machine code so that a computer can execute it. Simple as that. In the next video, we will compare compilers and interpreters to see why they are not the same thing. If this video helped you learn something new, hit that like button, subscribe to Dear Coder, and I will see you in the next one.